Hello YouTube, this is Joshua Basic Value, and for today we are going to be teaching you a very unique way of drawing a flower in Scratch. So first block, green flag, and then pen blocks, erase all, pen down, then go to 0, 0. So let's get to motion, go to 0, 0, and then pen size. Let me just check right here. So let's just set the pen size to 3 for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, 3, and then pen down, and then repeat block. So we have repeat block set to 12. Then we are going to be focusing on motion. So first we have move 100, and then turn clockwise. Let me just check right here. It's going to be 60, then move again 100, and then turn clockwise 120. All right, so after doing this, you need another repeat block. So just gonna remove this, then go to events, then repeat. All right, then this repeat would be, this one would be set at 12, and then this one would be set at 2. So in here at the bottom, you're gonna have turn clockwise. All right, turn clockwise 30 degrees, and then change pen color by 10. All right, and then let's just hide this one, and you have your flower. So that's how easy it is to create this very unique flower in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. Peace out.